Oh no, I've contacted my son based on our discussion. As soon as he comes back to Nigeria, I'm going to have this conversation with him.
Good. You know, this is culture. I would not like to do anything that will anger the gods.
You are right. But just that I am worried. I don't know how my son will feel about this whole thing.
Don't worry, my queen. I will help you to convince him.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Also, I celebrate the simplicity of your wisdom and your way of understanding.
It's okay. I understand everything. You know, I wouldn't want anything bad to happen to us or anyone else.
It's all right.
Thank you so much. My son, you need to come back home. Yes, all is well. No, your brother told me he spoke with you last week. Please, I am begging you. Do not fail your mother. Is that a promise? I'll be expecting you. So, all right. Take care of yourself. Love you, son. God, please help me.
Guards! Guards!
Yes, my princess.
How could you? 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 Are you serious? I know that. What is wrong with you? Control yourself. No, you don't tell me to do that. Imagine the secret and his colleagues. I saw what happened in the CCTV. Your colleague was sleeping, Chuma was sleeping. And Adese took the key from him and opened the cell. You were there, stupidly sleeping. How can you employ all these incompetent fools in this palace?
And where is Adese? Where is Adese? Where is she? My queen, she ran out of this palace. She said that she can no longer work here.
Hey, go to her father's house and fetch that animal for me. Do you understand me?
Yes, my princess.
Hey, come back here and get me that Chuma. That good for nothing idiot. No. Get it for me too. I want to discipline him myself. He will have a touch of Adure today. Run!
Yes, my princess.
Don't bring Adese. Let her be.
Why? Get me Chuma.
Yes, my princess.
These people there.
Oh.
I wish I can break out of this. I just wish.
I don't feel we're doing anything bad. I don't feel anything. This is our word and our choice.
Are you being serious right now? How can I be sleeping with you, my own sister, and also my future wife on the same roof? Why? How? Like how?
You worry too much. I've told you. Okay, fine. I'm going to say it again. I've given you my consent. You can go ahead and get married.
No. Please. I beg you. You need to get married and leave this kingdom. Leave this world.
Do you want me dead? Leave to where?
I don't know. I'm confused, honestly. See, you need to get yourself a boyfriend. Alright? This whole thing we're doing has to stop. We have to stop it.
Hey. Hey, bro, baby, this must not stop because I enjoy every bit of it.
Hey, please, I beg you, try and get a boyfriend and get married, right? Please.
I regret bringing you to my kingdom. I wish I'm still alive. Your ways and that of your children keep hurting me even in death. You have been taking Chima to a great herbalist far away from home because you want to make him the king.
But here is the hair, and no one can take it from him.
I am happy that you know who the heir is and that no one can take it from him. But destiny is staring at you.
I know the hair. Nklan. The very first time I'm seeing my husband in my dream, he already knows everything.
I couldn't find the woman, but I'll keep trying until I find her. Chiwendu,
Papa,
I feel that you are no longer safe in this village. So you need to be very, very careful. Because you're stepping on the toes of our enemies. So as things stands now, I want you to stop your business and then travel to Lagos to stay with my uncle's wife. When the tides calms down, you can come back.
Papa, no try am. I no fit. I pin, no leave, no transfer. I'm not gonna leave my business because of one queen, one royal family. We no get coordination, we no they get themselves, we no get sense. I no try am. Sure?
But sister, I think Papa has a point here.
I said I will not leave this place. Good night, everybody.
Chiwendu. Papa, it's okay. I will talk to her. But you have to be very careful. We all know that the royal family doesn't want us alive. The queen obviously has a plan. Biko, be very careful with them when you go out there to meet them. So my sister will talk to her. She'll be fine.
I just hope so.
Papa, going to sleep, eh? Catch you for long. I'll see you later. Okay.
Where is she? No, don't tell me that. Where is she?
What is your problem?
Where is that thing that lives in this house with you?
You better leave here now.
For what?
Now.
I'm not going anywhere.
Right now.
I am not going anywhere. I heard she lives in this house. Bring her out. I want to teach her a lesson myself.
You don't want to see my bad side, right?
Oh,
leave
wait.
now.
Hey, listen, I command you to give me that thing that lives in this house with
You
you.
have to leave now.
I am
I'm
not
serious
going
about
anywhere.
that. What is wrong with you?
Stop it! Where is she? Bring her out.
You want to see me? You look like me. Leave now.
What can you do?
What did they happen for her? What did they call for this place?
Babe.
What did they happen? What did she do for this house?
Babe, let me
Hey,
just
what
tell
are you doing in my man's house?
You say?
What have you been doing here?
What be your man?
Him! Are you okay? You did. What kind of rubbish is that? You did. What are you doing in my man's house? You did mad. What are you doing in my man's house? You did mad. Ah! Hey!
Wait, okay,
You did mad.
just Wait.
Leave for here.
Babe, just relax.
Leave it. Hey, come here.
Babe, it's okay.
This has not ended. This has not ended. Look at this celebrity.
Calm down. It's okay, babe. Babe, just...
Oh, this is up now. You don't let this girl run.
It's okay. Hey, relax.
What if it is now? You don't make this girl run. That's why they find you for. Allow me to divorce this girl.
Baby, it's okay, please. You will do that another time. Just sit down, okay? Please.
Which kind of nonsense be this?
Babe, it's okay. Just calm down, please. Just calm down.
Why you not let me pan a bit Sam now?
Babe, please.
You for let me bone Sam.
Babe, it's okay. Just have a seat, please. Okay? Babe.
Hey, God.
Sit down, please. Just calm down, please.
This is just a token. More will come if you abide by what we discussed.
Hey! EJ!
You know this guy.
EJ!
Yes,
EJ!
for you, your family. Sometimes take you anywhere. Check around. Look at it.
Mama!
It's brand new.
Hey, Mama!
Brand new car.
Mama! Mama, what? My prince. Hey!
You mean this guy is for me? This guy is for me. My prince.
Yes.
My prince.
But don't be overly excited. Huh? Like I said, can you come listen to me?
Yes, my prince. I'm with you. Mama.
I brought this car so you can do your job. Yes. Know what I told you? Failure attracts consequences.
No failure. No failure. No failure.
No failure.
No failure.
Ah! Don't my prince. Hey, Mama. Hey. Mama. Thank you. Hey. Mama, wait. Mama,
My love, this is not true. This is not true.
Young man, I hope those two things planted beside your head are functional. So you heard her loud and very clear. She has forgiven the prince. The prince wants to marry her. Just come, let me ask you one question. If this girl is your sister, what would you have liked for her?
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Amaka, is this a movie or what? What is happening here?
It's not a movie. No, it's a content. Can't you see we are shooting content? Even the director. And this is the props. This is the car. We are shooting content here. Mama, look at this adult too. I don't want to see Echika. What is your problem? This is madness. I am telling you that the prince said you should go and calculate all you spent on my sister's head, and he's going to pay. If you're now you're making this thing an issue, Mama, is this an issue? Is this an issue? Biko. I don't understand. I don't sit down. You know, Grimmy. I stand up. You know, Grimmy. Guy, I don't understand you. I'm telling you.
This is not true, Amaka. Please tell me that what is happening here is not true. What they are telling me is not true. Amaka, please talk to me. After everything, please look me in the eyes and tell me that what they are saying is not true. Amaka, look here. This is the job in Lagos. It's the appointment letter for the job. My boss already come back, gave me the appointment letter. The house is waiting for us there in Lagos, Amaka. You cannot just change your mind like this, Amaka, please. This is not fair at all. Amaka, the job is waiting for you. Our apartment is waiting for you. You cannot just throw away 8 years of our relationship. Just like that. Amaka, please now. Obi chukumekwa anoge amaka bikon. Eva, I was even going to leave my shop for your brother. He can continue managing when we are gone.
Oga Thunder fire you. Mama, look at it. Mama, you're just using eye to scatter this guy. Look at, leftover shop for me. You want to leave your small kiosk, that small thing, for me as what? Appreciation to marry my sister. Makagene, when Prince Chima promised to send me abroad, my heart desire, Europe, and you come here to open your gutter mouth to tell me that I have all temper. I don't want to stammer. You know,
he's a madman. Are you not seeing him? Looking at him from up down, he's a madman. It's as if you are deaf. The prince has said you should go and calculate every dime that you have spent on my daughter. He's going to pay. And let me remind you, add more. Add more. Because as I'm looking at you, you are very close to your destiny.
Please, say something. Can I just keep quiet, Amaka? Look at what what your family is telling me, Amaka.
I'm sorry.
Amaka, you cannot. Amaka.
Hey, Chika. You see what you have caused? No, you see what you have caused. My sister, to cry for you. Come on. This is emotional blackmail now. Mama catches. Yeah, emotional blackmail. Come on, go. Yeah, now go. What? The devil wants me to use you and try I will not go to jail because of you. Go. I am telling you. I'm telling you. Mama,
what is this?
Look at this boy, I come down here some children.
Mama, calm down. There's no more to do.
Let me see you here again. Okay, we should leave this motor. We should leave car and follow this useless boy. Sit down. If you allow me to, I can't tell you see. No, I just want to, the guy is just taking my time. Listen, I don't mind. What would you have done with it?
My prince. No, my prince, no! Ah! My prince, no! My prince.
I command you, raise your skirts.
No, my prince, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
You mad?
My prince! Somebody help me! My prince!
Chima! You molest my subject again in this kingdom. You're crazy. Are you mad? I can see you have gone mad.
My king, why are you always interrupting my good moment? Why? Why are you always coming when you never invited? She is also my subject, and I can do anything I deem fit with her.
I can see you have gone mad. I can see you are crazy. That will not happen under my roof.
Are you sleeping with this ugly thing? Because I don't know why you always come to my house!
You mad or crazy?
What is wrong with you?
And you? I don't want to ever see you in his room again. If I ever see you here again, I will banish you from this kingdom. And don't ever attend to his needs, because I can see Chima, this will be the last time I will see you in this condition, or I will show you.
Father! Why if you're not sleeping with her, If you're not sleeping with her, you will not come to for her every now and then. You are doing it secretly. What is this? Only her. Just her. Others are giving. She has to give me. I am the prince. And I can do anything I dictate with my subject. Kai. Just 1 minute. I was just close.
No, I will never do it. Never. Over my dead. In fact, I'd rather die than to sleep with that beast. I will never do it. The only thing I want to do now is to raise money and take my jam and go to school. I'm even tired, self.
Wait, so are you sure of what you just said? That you'll never open your leg for that beast?
I'm not joking when I said it. That man does not look like a beast. He's the beast. He's a monster. And I cannot see myself doing that rubbish.
If that be the case, then here. Thank you. It's money for your jump. Go and get your jump form, and I'm sure you will not disappoint me. You'll come out well. My sister helped me to raise the money. Counting it is complete. Yes. Yes. For your jump form.
Thank you. Thank you.
My love, listen. I need you to go to school. My family and I are in love with you. And we are ready to stand by your family and make sure you attain any level of education. I believe you will not disappoint us.
I will not.
You are too smart. You are too smart to be wasteful. You are too intelligent to be wasteful. You cannot waste just like that. See, I promise you today, my love, I will make sure I go to any length to see that you finish your school. Yes. See, let me promise you something. Even if it takes me selling my only plot of land for you to go to school and come out. Even if you want to go to do your master's as well, do the PhD, whatever, I will make sure you do that. I'll stand by you, true.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. So where are you going to now?
I'm going to the jump center.
Huh? You want me to escort you?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
By the power vested of me as the queen of this kingdom, I pronounce you king and lord of the kingdom.
My queen, congratulations.
Umunze kwenu.
Congratulations, bro.
Umunze kwenu. Umunze kwezono. I'm so happy.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
My king.
Finally, you're in my bed as my queen.
Yes, my king.
Indeed, all women are cheap. Very, very cheap. Once you have money and what they want. They be on your feet, my
My king, I don't understand.
You will not understand. Very soon, you will. Princess, what is it? Why this straight face?
Just after your coronation.
Yes, so? Talk to me. What is it?
Mother is dead.
No. No! No. Are you joking? What? Are you joking? Mother is what? Hey. Don't joke with me. Mother is what? Mother! Excuse me. Mother!
I don't understand. What is your problem? What I want to know exactly what your problem is. Ogini, you keep on asking questions that are very, very relevant. I invited you to a coronation. What is your business with you did not see Onowu, you did not see a village people? Are they owing you? I told you that coronation will start by midnight. So what is your problem?
Yeah, so it's midnight party. And we know you cannot stay. Iman Lalo. In fact, come and start going. Or let me just drop you at the junction. Kefo keke nawa from there gawaba ebibi. That's simple and short.
Ugodia, why is everything happening so fast? Why will you carry the party that's supposed to be in the afternoon and put it at night? Why? Is that an occultic party?
Are your mates not cultists?
Oh, Juba.
You see, are you afraid of cult? Call it whatever you want to call it. Cultism, cult, add them together. Any name you want to give to them, give it to them.
You should have let me know that you're trying to put me into cultists.
Are you, that is why I'm asking you, Okafor, are your mates not cultists?
Traditionally, Onowu crowned the king and the Lolo. Ugodia, why would the queen crown them? No villagers, no chief priest, no Onowu. Why?
Uncle, our culture is not...
Ekene, what is your problem? Why are you talking as if you're halfway sleeping? Are you alive?
Yes.
Then copy your mouth and talk.
Uncle, let me tell you something. Our culture, it's not, what is it called? It's not rigid.
Bam.
It's flexible. It changes. Our queen can crown anybody.
Shut up.
Shut up. Okay.
What do you know about tradition?
Enough, your brother.
What do you know about tradition, Ekene? Huh? We have been telling you that how do I make it by that tradition? Huh? Even Queen Elizabeth cannot do it.
You didn't hear what I said. I said even Queen Elizabeth in those days, he appoints the president, leaders, world leaders. In those days, it happened.
So I had to bring them here for this important meeting. Gentlemen, he is the rightful owner of the parcel of land in question. I am very sorry that I took you people to the palace. I never knew that the queen had a hidden agenda. She wanted to snatch the land from him at all costs. If I did, I would have not taken you people there. Honestly, I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. Finally, we have met with the real owner. However, we have been in doubt regarding to this because of Queen's mannerism towards the land. But meeting him, and I believe we can do a good business with him.
Like I said earlier, on that plot of land, there is no sign declaring it for sale. That means that my land is not for sale.
Sir, please, we are ready for lease. The company is ready for lease, sir. Please. In fact, the company can avail herself the opportunity of, getting into any agreement with you, sir. Just name your price. Yeah. We'll pay. Please. Don't just say no to us. That maybe will not mount our mask on that line, sir. Please, sir. Please. We really need that land, sir. Please. Just name your price.
Well, from the angle you're coming, I'll have to speak with my children about it and get back to you. Again, on the condition that it is about leasing, the land is not for sale. Is that clear?
It's okay. Okay, sir. No. Thank you, sir. It's okay, sir.
Ichiobasi. What happened? That is not possible. She cannot do that. The gods of our land will visit her instantly. Are you serious that she's dead? You are serious? Oh, what is it?
What is it, Papa?
The queen is dead. She died after crowning her son the king of this community.
Enough is enough. The fly that does not listen to advice will always follow the corpse to the grave. So there's no problem. Can we continue with our discussion, please?
This is indeed surprising. Everyone is in shock. My whole family is still in shock as Indeed, my ugly dream came true. Life, they say, is full of surprises and turns. And one should always expect the unbelievable.
Echika, is this why you stopped me? Are you done?
Sam.
Echika, I'm a queen now. I'm no longer your queen. I'm somebody else's queen. Move on. Take the 5 million naira my husband offered you and move on.
Sam, you are my queen. Not his queen. Mine. I don't know, but please, try and reconsider this decision you've made, Bikon. Let us try to sort things out and find a way to move on from this. It's heartbreaking. My heart still cries every day. I'm no longer me. Bikon.
Echika, I'm his queen, not yours. I'm not even supposed to be seen outside here with you. Take the 5 million naira my husband offered you and move on. Look at you, from head to toe, you need the 5 million. No, let's calculate what 5 million naira can do for you. Your business, your sister's business. She will have a very big eatery. I'm sorry things turned out this way, but understand it the way it is.
Sam, Bikon.
Okay, 10 million.
Sam, 10 million is not you. Please, you are the one that I want, Sam Bikon. You are the one that I heart yearn for. You are the one that you know I live for you, Asa. This thing you're doing is not good. It's killing me. It's taking life out of me, Bikon. Reconsider. Biko, you are the one I want.
I'm sorry. That's the only thing I have to say.
Asam Bikon. Obim.
You said you came from the kingdom, right?
Yes.
That must be a far journey, and I'm sure you have overstressed yourself.
Obviously. I have been on my way for the last 1 month and 2 weeks searching for her.
I see.
Oh no, you said I have.
Quinchoma.
My goodness. George Okonkwo.
Wow.
What are you doing here? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit.
Thank you. And that is why I am here.
Like I said before now, you're highly welcome. Exactly what I was deliberating with my honor.
Truly the gods are not men. Your story is as the same as the one I, the queen and the elders have been discussing on. And Hassan will soon be here.
That's good. When is the coronation?
Oh, few days from now. But you'll back in Nigeria tomorrow latest.
Okay. That's all right.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I am so happy to see you after so many years. Honestly, I miss our friendship. Igwe Declan was my old lover. A man of peace and justice. But it was quite unfortunate that his parents never liked me. So we parted ways immediately after our graduation from the university.
Yes, I know the story. It was indeed a sad one. But we give the gods, all the thanks for sparing our lives.
Sure. So please, be patient. Your lunch will soon be served by my chef. Oh no, please take care of him.
Thank you, my queen.
What? Come down here.
Bring the key. Bring the key. Are you normal? Imagine, why did you enter our house and carry the key that you saw on the table?
The king that sent us.
You just see car key and carry it. Is it your house?
But the king asked us to bring back the car to the palace.
Yes.
Why? What purpose? What's the... Why?
Yeah, can you wait? Did you take any alcohol? You just hold on.
Let me ask you. Do you know who I am?
Who are you? Who are you?
Shut your mouth!
Shut your mouth. I am the mother to the king's wife.
And so? And I'm the brother. It's my in-law. And you come here to carry key. In Apala. Look at this urchin, so.
It's him and so.
Brother.
You're speaking English.
Queen, my food. Let me have that key. Give me that key.
Don't even go there. Don't even try because I'm going to behead you. Who are you? Yeah? No. Mama.
Hey, what?
Yeah. The king said that we should take this car from you. And that is what enter this car.
Mama, this one, they are serious. So.
You are an idiot. You are looking at me and they are going.
Wait, he's the king.
You are looking at me and they are going.
Ekene.
Ekene.
See. I'm respecting the king, go. What this guy? Mama. This guy is going on. He's saying, Mama. What? Let me call my sister. Don't worry, relax. I want those guards, but let me call Chiamaka. No, let me call Queen Chiamaka. I don't know why which kind of mad people be this now? Eh?
Okay.
Don't worry, don't ekene me. This guy is coming back. Let me call my sister. What is this? Ah.
Hello, Kena?
Hello. Mama, calm down. Queen Chiamaka, it's me, your elder brother now. You don't know my number again? Yes. I was inside though. Then I saw these two guys. Before I would say what happened, I thought you even gave them money to bring for us. Listen, they just grabbed Mama's car key.
What? Calm down. Why will you do that?
They just carry the key and said that your husband asked them to come and carry the car. How? For what? We don't need service. Now brand new car now. Eh? Hello? Yes, your husband. They have gone. Yes. Hello? Mama?
You're an idiot.
Don't worry.
You're an idiot.
I know. Don't
You're
worry.
standing here, they took away the car.
It's an order from our in-law. Let me go to the palace. I will find out. I'm coming. Mama, I'm coming. I want to know what gave those people right.
Why would I take my friends? That I had a car overnight in the car. Twinkle, little star. Chai.
Why would a prince ask the guards to take the car he bought for my mother? Wait a minute. Is this a trap? You tell me why you call it. Oh God!
It's not what I think. What have you done?
I did nothing.
You did what?
Nothing.
I saw you. You drugged her.
No, I didn't touch her.
Shut up your mouth. I saw you with my eyes. Why would you do that? Shut up! See, just pray. Pray nothing happens to her. Pray. Babe? Baby! Ah! You killed my wife!
I didn't touch your wife!
You killed my wife.
I did not kill your wife.
You did!
I didn't!
I saw you!
No!
You shot him.
I didn't touch her!
Stop! Idiot!
My queen, this is delicious.
Mom! I'm home!
Son!
Mom!
Oscar?
George? What?
Kunchung, is he your son?
Yes, my first son. Do you know him?
Small world.
What are you doing in my kingdom, sir? This is strange.
Are you a prince?
Yes. But I kept a low profile because I just want to live a normal life. I never wanted to reveal my identity as a prince. Mom, this is Chiwendo's father, the girl you spoke to on phone a few days ago.
What a striking coincidence.
Everything is beginning to make sense to me now.
Welcome, son.
Thank you. My George, you're welcome. And nice to see you, sir.
Yeah.
My prince, you're welcome. Thank you. Mother, why did you keep this away from me all this while?
Please, my prince, do not blame your mother. You are not of this kingdom. You are of the same kingdom with Ishie Okonkwo. He was assigned by your father to come and look for you. And that is why he's here.
My son, honestly, I'm sorry. I never knew I was pregnant for your father when we separated. We were in our final year in the university. But I got to discover that I was pregnant 2 weeks after we separated. Then my husband was seriously coming asking for my hand in marriage. I accepted. But my mother advised me not to let my husband or anyone know that I was pregnant for another man. My husband, wherever he is now, would think you are his biological son. But Alfred and Eva are his biological son. I intend taking the secret to my grave, why they crown you the king of this kingdom. But the gods are indeed very wise. They revealed the secret to Onowu here who came telling me about it.
Oh no, I just want you to explain to me the reason you said my son, Prince Oscar, will not be the next king of this kingdom. Why? Make me understand.
My queen, Alfred will be the next king.
Oh no, you have always known me to be a queen of justice, peace, and love, right?
Of course I know. But I want you to remember that you came into this palace with a strange child in your womb. I do not want to raise any dust. Call the elders in council. Let them know that Alfred, our blood, will take over the throne after the money of our late king, your husband. The gods have revealed everything to me. If I crown Prince Oscar, our next king, the whole kingdom, including the royal family, will be plagued by the gods. I don't want to bring any problem to this kingdom. Good day. May the gods guide your steps.
I'm sorry. Son, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please.
Prince Oscar, you must go back to your land and claim your father's palace. What Ishia Okonkwo here told us simply means that destiny awaits you there. That evil queen is dead and her children are not royal blood. You must go and reclaim your kingdom. The gods are with you.
I miss you. I'm going to miss you. And you know I love you, right? I miss my son, my first blood, my husband's youth. But I want you to know that I'll keep praying for you, and you must win.
Yes, mother. I will, mother. I promise you.
Prince Oscar, my kingdom awaits you. Let us go.
George, please, I beg you. Take care of my son for me. Please.
The God shall be with you. Amen.
Sister! Sister!
You're welcome. Welcome. Welcome to my humble abode.
Oscar, give me praise.
Yes, the gods confirmed it.
Yes, my love. I am sorry that I hid it from you all this while. I was hoping for the right time to open up to you, and I believe now is the right time.
Sure. So you be prince of our kingdom.
Yes. Meet my mom, Queen Doris Choma Onoha.
Hey,
And this is the Onowu of my stepfather's kingdom.
my daughter. Good to see you in person. Come here.
Good evening, ma. Good evening,
You're
ma.
so beautiful. Good
Thank you, ma.
evening.
Oscar,
My love.
make I hug you now.
My love. Now that the stars are smiling at us, now that everything has been revealed, please, my love, be my queen. Let us rule our kingdom together. My love, be my wife.
Who I be?
Say yes.
Before uncle. Yes, so I be your wife. Oh. Congrats. Thank you.
Now you are talking, my brother. The true king. You know, this is our world. This is our kingdom. This is us. We have everything in it. So we have to protect our kingdom, right? You are a true king. A king you are, my love.
Thank you. Drink.
Oh, shit.
Drink, my dear sister.
You know, I remember vividly that you never loved her.
Yes.
So we should prepare a befitting funeral for our mother, dear queen.
Keep drinking. Drink, my dear sister.
You know, you can get as many wives as you want.
Yes. Drink more. Fine wine.
Oh, what? What did you do to my drink?
I poisoned your wine. You killed my wife. She was pregnant for me. Pregnant with my unborn child, and you killed her. It's time for you to die. Die, dear sister. Die! Yes, this will end your addiction, your obsession, and hate. Die well, my sister. Die! Yes. In your next life, make sure you do not come back here with addiction and obsession with hate.
Your Highness, I want to see my sister. That is why I'm here. I want to see my sister, for goodness sake. You cannot ask the guards to come and collect the car you bought for my mother, and you still restrict me from seeing my sister. Her car is parked outside here. That means she is in this palace. I want to see my sister. That is why I'm here. Period.
Ekene, go home. You are talking to a madman. A mad king.
I am not living here. Chiamaka! 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 Your Highness, this marriage is dissolved. This marriage is dissolved as long as I'm concerned. This marriage is no longer going to function because I can't see the reason why you will embarrass me, embarrass my family, and now restricts us from seeing my sister. This marriage is over. It's over. I'm not leaving this palace without my sister. Chiamaka! Chiamaka! I'm going with my sister. I'm going with Chiamaka!
Your sister is dead. My own sister killed her, and I killed my freaking sister. You were both pregnant for me. I killed her. Yes, I killed her.
Your Highness, you are joking. You must be a dead joker. You cannot kill my sister. Oh my man. Oh my man. Chiamaka! 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 You are a dead... Chiamaka! What are you telling me? It's not possible. Chiamaka, come back! Oh!
In your next life, mind your business.
Ogini, what is happening? Ekene is not picking my calls. Chamaka is not picking my calls. What's going on? It's getting late already. I hope they are safe.
Mama.
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 Ekene, what is it? Ekene, what is it? Ekene, what is it? What is it? What happened to you? Talk to me. Ekene, talk to me. What is it? Ekene, talk to me. What happened to you? Ekene? What is it?
Lizzy stabbed me.
Lizzy stabbed you? Ekene?
His sister,
Talk to me, Ekene, what is it?
She killed Chamaka.
Killed who? Yeah! Ekene! Ekene, wake up! Wake up, Ekene, wake up! Wake up! Shima! 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 Yeah!
Look at what you did to yourself. Just look how you ended up, Amaka. What did you gain? Can you be the queen now? Can you drive the cars as you wish? Wear the fine clothes and spend all the money as you wanted? Just look at how empty you've become, lying lifeless. Amaka, this is bad. She would have been alive and in love, but you were greedy and heartless. Then you paid the price with your own life. My beautiful Amaka is no more. No, I forgive you. I forgive you, my love. And you will forever remain in my heart.
Wickedness. See how wickedness has its repercussion. She's dead and smelling, rotten. I wish people can learn from this. Okay. Let's go.
Greetings, the people of Umunze. Today is a very special day indeed. And now let the celebration begin. Music, please.
You just stay from Galadima in this world, no, because you never see something. Anyaga Fuberife, Maka Anyagi Afuberife, Afubife Bakia, Maka Anyagi Afuberife, Afubife Bakia, just the phone, Deputy Jesus, Maka Anyagi Afuberife, just the phone. This life is a race, one and always start it with a deep breath and always enjoy every moment of it. Love, carry people along with you. Love, carry people along one day. Makaneri charanu usabunu. Don't use your position or press anyone, because devil might turn around tomorrow. Don't use your position or press anyone, because devil might turn around tomorrow. Don't use your position this table might turn around tomorrow. Don't use your position. Fire, 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 royal attack. Chiwende, Manyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Anything you dare talk, now your matter. I will upon your sender, it chunk of Cassi, Akakasiba. I will upon your sender, it chunk of Cassi, Akakasiba. That in where you want make it happen tomorrow. She is ready for the thing today. Girl, maybe, she know the fear.